Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a 5 off 25 for Saturday. But before we jump into that, I want to thank Jord for sending me this beautiful all-wood watch. Also, I am hosting a giveaway for $100 off your watch. That is a great deal. They come packaged beautifully and your watch is made to fit you. It comes with accessories to ensure your watch is new all the time. Their watches are affordable and very well crafted. It is excellent quality and you are going to get compliments everywhere you go. Their website and giveaway link will be in the description box. So now let's jump into this video. So guys, this is the breakdown for Dollar General 5 off 25 for July 7th, 2018. So these are the items that you are going to want to pick up. The first item is going to be the Dawn dish liquid, and it is priced at $2.35, and we have the $1 off digital. The Charmin, it's going to be the Charmin Essentials at $4.95, and we have the $1 off digital. The Gain detergent at $3.95, and we have the $2 off digital. The Gain fabric softener is $3.95, and we have a $2 off digital. The Gain Fireworks is $4 and we have the $2 off digital. The Gain Dryer Sheets 105 count at $3.95 and we have the $2 off digital. The Tide Simply is $2.95 and we have the $1 off digital. So your total is going to come to $26.10. Use your 5 off 25. You have $11 in digitals, which is going to bring your total down to $10.11 or $1.44 each, which is definitely not a bad deal for all these items. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to go check out Jord. Enter the giveaway. It is going to be $100 towards any watch of your choice. So guys, happy couponing from my home to yours. Bye, guys.